Nextbots are cool, funny, and kind of terrifying. They can be made so by inserting textures of a flat sprite ripped straight from a shitpost into an AI that can be instructed to chase down players. Imagine being placed into an unfamiliar environment and being chased down by the surreal visage of Obunga. It's like something from a ridiculous nightmare. At any rate, the insanity began with Valve's Source engine, which claims to utilize a nav mesh system rather than only an older Node system. Source, of course, being one of the most famously enduring game engines to date given its insane freedom of accessibility and legacy, given the games that spawned from it like Portal, TF2, and Half-Life 2. Plus, the modability of the Source engine in tandem with Gmod's creative tools has allowed for the easy construction of custom Nextbots, with 2013 seeing the first big meme AI implemented in the form of Sanic thanks to Zyzen and Nate Wingman, demonstrating the flat texture chasing after players. However, nearly 10 years later, there's been a huge renaissance in interest regarding Nextbots, specifically utilizing shitposting imagery to create terrifying humor. Whilst it's kind of funny to see that dog singing Turi Ip 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 as it gets closer and closer, it's also horrifying as one realizes there's absolutely no way to prevent a devastatingly brutal death. And that's the point of these chase videos. The aim is for the player to survive for as long as possible, which can lead to some truly thrilling footage despite the hilarious monster.
Look at them, they're like zombies.
Of course, at their heart, the monsters in the stories humans tell are often quite absurd despite being scary, so this insane uncanny valley feeling evoked by Nextbots absolutely reflects this. On another note, it's fascinating how long Gmod has survived over the years, from releasing in 2006 to remaining responsible for some of the most fun had in a single game perhaps ever, with the vast array of tools and infinite modability within the program easily allowing it to stay relevant in 2022. So far of these Nextbot chase games come from the original simple Sanic designs that one can watch players kicking down doors and sprinting around a map with nausea-inducing head bobbing. Walter, Quandale, Dingle, and Obunga are all common antagonists, each one spewing voice lines extremely loudly as the player feels their metaphorical breath right on its neck. And extremely malleable platforms like Roblox have also taken this mantle, also starring Gmod-style Nextbots and experiences like Nico's Nextbots, furthering the concept's accessibility beyond the platform that spawned it. Again, it's very easy to liken Nextbots to a surreal nightmare, which fits perfectly within the goofy horror of online browsing and digital landscapes filled with ridiculously unsettling imagery. Essentially, Nextbot shitposts are the embodiment of Gmod's undying legacy as it continues to entertain not only its players, but audiences around the world nearly 20 years since its debut. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else...